The civil unions fight is heading to court today. LAMBDA Legal and the American Civil Liberties Union of Hawaii filed a lawsuit against the state 3 weeks after Governor Linda Lingo vetoed a bill that would have allowed unmarried couples to enter into civil unions. The lawsuit was filed on behalf of 6 same-sex couples. The complaint filed in circuit court argues the state is violating the Constitution by denying some same-sex couples the rights and protections available to heterosexual couples through marriage.
Courts exist to ensure that everyone has the same basic rights, whether they are the majority or whether they are a small minority, like lesbian and gay families, like the family standing here today.
The lawsuit does not ask for marriage status, just for the state to grant the full range of equal protections under the law to gay and lesbian couples. 5 of the 6 couples suing the state are from Oahu. 1 is from the Big Island. Each has a reason to go to court. KITV4's Jill KURAMOTO spoke with 2 of the couples today. And Jill, I understand one couple is citing a medical reason to fight for equal rights.
That's right, Paula. Robie Levenger and Louise Esselstyn are worried they could lose their home under the current state law after Louise was recently diagnosed with multiple sclerosis. Robie Levenger and Louise Esselstyn made a commitment 17 years ago to remain together in sickness and in health, never realizing how much of a challenge that would truly be.
It's kind of like a box of Cracker Jacks. You get up in the morning and we don't know, will Louise be able to stand up? Will she need to be in a wheelchair?
Louise is unable to work and relies on domestic partner benefits from Robie's employer. But they're worried they could lose their home if Louise needs nursing home care in the future, and the state demands repayment of Medicaid costs in ways not required of married spouses, which is why, despite the added stress of a lawsuit, they're willing to take on the fight for civil unions.
Between the 2 of us, we are well over 110 years, and it would bring us great joy on that level, on an emotional level. It'd be very joyful for us to have equality.
Sharing in the fight are co-plaintiffs and friends Danny Robinson and Alan Castro from Hilo.
Aloha. Come on in. Welcome to our happy home.
And we ask your blessing on our enjoyment of the food and our friendship. Amen.
Amen. Amen.
Together since 1976, the 2 want to be recognized as a devoted and legitimate family.
Although we are a family, and we've been for 35 years, it means a little bit more when the state says you are.
Danny and Alan say they never wanted to be visible publicly in a fight for equality, but their compassion for younger couples who also want equal rights compelled them to step up.
The next generation shouldn't have to fight the same battles that we have to fight.
But the fight has already begun for Louise and Robie against a state system they say leaves them with little protection.
I can be by Louise's side no matter what, and I will be no matter what.
Now, no one from the governor's office was able to comment on the lawsuit, and the state attorney general's office says it hadn't had time to review the suit to comment. Reporting live, Jill KURAMOTO, KITV4 News.